Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add sizes to your products on Cartel, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm logged into my account and I'm on my dashboard, and I'm going to go over into products and I'm going to add myself a new account. You can edit or a new product. If you have already existing products, you can also, of course, edit them. However, I'm just going to be creating a new one just as an example. So I'll just add a product name. I'll name it shirt. Description is just going to be shirt as well. Whoops. You can add a category if you want. You don't need to. You can set the status to active, and I'll set the price to $1. Now, what you need to do is add the variant. And as you can see, size S, price $1. Size M is also going to be $1, and size L is also going to be $1. Then you need to set up your shipping. I'll just set it to everywhere, and I'm going to put it $5 for alone and $1 with others. And you can set up a US tax category if you want. I'm not gonna. So that's pretty much what you need to do. Then you just need to click save. And once you do, that's going to add a new variation. And that's pretty much it. If I go into my products now, as you can see, I have the shirt, which is just one item. But if I enter it, it'll be as a variant, well, with variants like that. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.